No one heard his name, no one remembered his face. But in heaven, the orphan boy's whisper moved storms. He had no family, no roof, only a tattered book, a Bible he couldn't fully read. People passed him every day, but no one ever looked back. One Sunday evening, hungry and cold, he knelt outside a church he wasn't allowed into. He whispered, "God, if you're real, please don't let me die alone." In that moment, something shifted. A wind came, but not from any direction. The heavens above that little boy rumbled, like they had heard something loud, though no one else had spoken. A man no one had seen before walked straight to the boy. No umbrella, no words at first, just presence. He knelt beside him and whispered, "You are not forgotten." The man took him in. No questions asked. That night, the boy didn't just sleep in a bed. He rested in the arms of answered prayer. Years later, the boy became a man who saved many others. He told this story often, yet no one ever found records of the man who rescued him. Maybe God doesn't always answer with thunder. Sometimes he whispers in storms and sends angels dressed like strangers. If this story touched you, share it, because someone, somewhere, might be praying through their own storm.